Today is one of the most important days in the story of Palestine resistance and liberation movement. The whole world is united against Zionism, and we must not fear them. We will defeat the enemies of our generation. So stay strong, rise up wherever you are. It's time for our generation to fulfill our part. Like other generations defeated apartheid, Nazism and fascism, now is our turn to defeat racism, supremacism, where it is. US imperialism and Israeli Zionism. Go to the streets, wherever you are. It's the most important task we have to do right now.